In the history of the XRP Ripple coin, this is the most significant occurrence. The SAC and Ripple will meet in private in a few days, and a lot of information has already been published online. The most absurd aspect is that it appears Ripple will definitively prevail in the legal battle. Don't you think that seems crazy? The most intriguing aspect, however, is that experts predict that following the meeting, the price of XRP Ripple could rise to $800 or possibly higher. Quite awesome, isn't it? Let's work things out gradually. Let's get right to the point without further ado. Disclaimer. Intense speculation has been generated in the XRP community by the impending SAC meeting on April 3, with some analysts speculating that it may serve as the impetus for a long-awaited bullish reversal. Since the meeting schedule includes discussions on enforcement matters, legal actions, and administrative proceedings, topics that potentially have a direct impact on Ripple and its ongoing regulatory journey, its closed-door format has only increased interest. The possibility of proving an XRP spot ETF is one particularly intriguing hypothesis circulating. Investors can have exposure to an asset without really owning it thanks to exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Imagine being able to own a piece of pizza without having to purchase the entire thing. The approval of an XRP spot ETF would allow institutional investors to access XRP in a controlled way, bringing new money into the market and increasing liquidity. Similar to what happened with Bitcoin when its ETF was approved, this would be a significant step in establishing XRP as an institutional-grade asset. In a recent tweet, well-known cryptocurrency analyst Tax encapsulated the feeling: a drive to lift the institutional sales injunction and hopes for XRP's spot ETF approvals may result from the SAC's closed hearing on April 3. XRP is optimistic. XRP's market position in the US might be greatly improved if the SAC indicates any interest in such an ETF. Where Ripple's growth has long been hampered by regulatory uncertainty. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, has been outspoken about the company's intentions to move forward, particularly now that the legal dispute with the SAC is mostly resolved. He said, "Now that the SAC case is over, we're prepared to unleash enormous growth in the US market." The notion that Ripple is getting ready for a new chapter is supported by this comment, one in which it may vigorously seek wider market penetration, regulatory certainty, and institutional collaboration. Paul Atkins, a former SAC commissioner and Trump's choice for SEC chairman, has promised to create a robust regulatory framework for digital assets, which Ciana noted in a tweet, adding to the confidence. This suggests that the SAC may change its strategy, which might benefit XRP and give it the same level of regulatory clarity granted to Bitcoin and Ethereum. The April 3 meeting is an important event for XRP, even though nothing is finalized. XRP may rise in response to any favorable regulatory developments, such as the adoption of ETFs, loosened limitations on institutional sales, or increased recognition of Ripple's compliance initiative. As traders and investors anxiously await signs that could influence the future of one of cryptocurrency's most robust assets, all eyes are still on the SAC for the time being. Fascinating, huh? However, that is only the beginning. The future may fundamentally alter the situation for XRP and its investors. A significant change is anticipated by experts, one that might rock the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Wait until you hear what's coming up if you thought XRP's previous increases were remarkable. The most bullish predict an eye-watering $1,000 per XRP, while others estimate $5 and $100 are within reach. Are these forecasts merely hyperbole, or do they have some actual substance? Let's dissect it. With traders reporting spikes and increased whale activity, XRP is already exhibiting breakout symptoms. While Steve clearly stated that a huge breakout for XRP is imminent, XRP is booming as it tweets XRP whale. You will soon become wealthy. Although these claims may sound over the top, they represent a growing sentiment in the cryptocurrency community. There's a major thing coming. The growing significance of Ripple in the global financial system is one of the main causes of this optimism. By collaborating with significant institutions to transform cross-border money transfers, the firm has cemented its position as a leader in cross-border payments. B2B Pay CEO Arthur Azizov is optimistic about XRP and believes it will reach $5 to $7 by the middle of 2025, thanks to Ripple's post-election momentum and increased financial integration. Hania Bouagla, an analyst at XTB, envisions a far larger range, predicting that XRP may trade anywhere from $5 to $100, contingent on acceptance and regulatory changes. Ryan Lee of BitKit Research has a more conservative approach, forecasting that XRP will hover between $1.80 and $8.40, but he admits that adoption and advantageous legislation may cause it to surpass $10. The most optimistic prediction, nevertheless, comes from Oliver Michael, CEO of Tentis Investment G, claiming that run above $10 is completely plausible because XRP has the potential to go over 2,000% as it has in earlier market cycles. The founder of Alpha Lions Academy, Ido Farina, believes that XRP will be the future Bitcoin. He cautions that early Bitcoin investors initially scoffed at the prospect of Bitcoin surpassing $100,000 before regretting their $500 sale. $20 might be the beginning for XRP if it continues on a similar track. The most astounding prediction, however, comes from CryptoShard's COO Matthew Breen. He argues that XRP may rise to between $100,000 and $1,000 in the next 5 to 10 years. His logic? The speed, effectiveness, and growing significance of XRP and remittance services may propel its value to previously unheard of heights. Some people think that XRP's days of trading below the dollar are coming to an end because of all these optimistic forecasts. Levi tweeted with assurance that XRP would never fall below $1 again. Institutions may construct a price floor that alters the game forever if they start hoarding significant amounts of XRP for liquidity reasons. Those who have doubts about XRP might come to regret not investing sooner when it starts to rise. As Amonix put it so well, they'll call you lucky. But is it simply seeing an opportunity before the rest of the world notices, or is it truly luck? A few XRP community members have already set their sights on $100 per XRP. Excited about XRP and going for the $100 milestone, Brett tweeted, asking everyone in the XRP community if they were prepared to become XRP millionaires. Even if $100 might seem unrealistic now, keep in mind that Bitcoin was once questioned when it was less than $1,000. The positives have already contributed to the ascent of Bitcoin, and XRP may see a similar price spike if they do the same. Crazy, huh? But don't worry, this is only the beginning. We haven't even discussed XRP Ripple's most recent collaborations, and believe me when I say they're revolutionary. You won't want to miss these partnerships' powerful bullish signs, which have the potential to propel XRP to unprecedented heights. The world is about to be overtaken by Ripple. Therefore, you won't want to ignore the collaboration between Ripple and Chipper Cash, which is another significant milestone in Ripple's continuous effort to transform the financial world. In Africa, where digital payments and mobile money have grown rapidly in recent years, this partnership seeks to improve cross-border payment options across the continent. Africa is seen by many as one of the most promising regions for financial inclusion. Digital and mobile money services are increasing, but traditional banking has had trouble keeping up with the demands of the continent's enormous unbanked population. The game is set to shift on a much larger scale, though, thanks to Ripple Pay. Chipper Cash